reaction video. Guys, this is my first time reacting to a song from Laura Bretan. Like, this is my first time reacting to her song. This is my first time hearing her voice. Like, YouTube just suggested this video to me. And the title is After the Rain. Guys, like, who is ready to check this out? It's me. After the rain. If you're new here, if this is your first time meeting me, my name is Naza and you're welcome to today's video. You can join the family by clicking on the subscribe button, hitting the notification so you'll be the first person to get notified anytime I release a new video. And guys, don't forget to like this video. So without further ado, let's just get into it and watch her perform. After the rain.
The clouds are dark, the storm is real. I've tried to fight the way I feel, but sometimes life can just pour down on you. But you calm the wind and ease my fears. You wash away all my tears and softly say the light will soon break through. After the rain, the sun comes shining in. After the rain, all things are new again. You stand with me in the middle of the storm, and when my strength is gone, you give me yours. The sky is so much bluer than before. After the rain.
Guys, like, this song has deep meaning. So after the rain, the sun starts shining. Like, after the rain, like, after passing through things, there is light at the end of the tunnel. Guys, you might be thinking, like, you might be passing through one challenge and it will be as if this is the end. It will be as if it wants to overshadow you, it wants to end you. But after that, there is victory in the ending. After that, after the rain, the sun will shine. Guys, I pick courage from this.
I may not know the reasons why these seasons blow into my life, but I know your love will see me through. Ooh. After the rain, the sun comes shining in. After the rain, all things are new again. You stand with me in the middle of the storm, and when my strength is gone, you give me yours. The sky is so.
Guys, so when my strength is gone, it gave me hope. Like, it stand with me in the middle of the storm. Yes, in that situation that you're thinking, will this stop? Will this go away? See, He's with us. Like, God is with us in the middle of the storm. He knows that condition. He knows that particular thing that is troubling us. Say He's with me in the middle of the storm. That means that after the rain, the sun will shine. After that issue, after that problem that's yet that's no, it's not a problem, it's a challenge. We'll call it challenge, not a problem. After that challenge you're facing, there's light at the ending. Guys, we are victorious. As Christ is victorious, so are we.
So much bluer than before. After the rain, I know just around the bend we'll finally reach the rainbow's end, where the broken bloom again. After the rain, the sun comes shining in. After the rain, all things are new again. You stand with me in the middle of the storm, and when my strength is gone, you give me yours. The sky is so much bluer than before. After the rain, there's beauty like I've never seen before. After the rain, after the rain. Ooh.
Guys, and this is Laura Bretan. Like, this is my first time reacting to her song, and I love this. I love her voice. I love this song that she's singing. This is a song of encouragement. Like, this is a word to encourage us. Wow. Like, to strengthen us to never give up. Never give up on that situation. Like, never give up to that challenge. The Lord, the victorious Lord, will surely give each and every one of us victory. Say, after the rain, the sky is now blue. Guys, like, miracle is definitely coming to our side. Oh, I love this. I love this. Laura Bretan. Guys, this is my first time reacting to her song, and I am fulfilled. Please, if you have other songs from her, if you have other links, please share it with me. Like, share it so I'll get to see them and react more to her song. Her voice is so lovely, guys. I love this. I love this. I love this song. Like, I love this video. Please, if you have other songs, this is for me. I also go and check. Like, this is beautiful. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Like, let me know your thoughts. What are you thinking? Because this is beautiful. Okay, guys. See you guys in the next video.